Hey, this is Desmond on here. Got a question from Mac, and Mac is asking, "Hey Desmond, if you have to start all over again, no name, no reputation, no list, not a lot of money, and no existing business, no existing team, basically nothing from scratch again, what would you do to be hitting your first $100,000?" Great question. I think every entrepreneur, especially today, you do need a backup plan. And I hope that this is going to give you some idea about what I would do, and more importantly, maybe give you some inspiration about how you can get started with your own business as well. As usual, if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button as well. Maybe drop a comment, let me know what videos you want me to do for you. I'm running out of ideas and I would love some new ideas from y'all, okay? Now, back to this question here. What would I do if I have to start from scratch again? What a great question. I thought about this a long time. I literally have different plans. But if you ask me, I'm here right now in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. What I would do is that I would actually go out there, and I would do this no matter what city I am in. I could be in New York, I could be in Los Angeles, I could be in Tokyo, it doesn't matter. I'll be doing this exactly to the T. What I will do is that I'll set a goal first. It's very important for me to know exactly what I need to do before I do something. So I will set a plan and I'll set a goal. Let's say my goal is I want to hit 100K in the next 6 months, okay? $100K. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out there and use Google Maps, use Foursquare, TripAdvisors, and all this, and find as many businesses as I can. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out what are these businesses doing. Are they doing great? Are they having a lot of reviews? Do they have a website? Do they have a Facebook? Do they have Instagram? So with that knowledge, I'm going to create a spreadsheet, usually about 200 businesses, and I will try to go industry by industry. Let's say travel industry, and then accommodation industry, and then maybe beauty industry, and maybe healthcare. One by one, I'll try to tackle it, and I'll weed out the companies that I think are too big. For example, corporate companies, because they usually don't hire individuals. I'll go for small businesses, and I'll figure out if they have a website, if they have an Instagram account or Facebook account. I'll mark everything down on a spreadsheet, and then I'm literally going to cold call all of them to set up meetings, okay? Now, this is a numbers game because you said I have nothing. I'm assuming that I don't even have a persuasion skill, don't have a brand, don't have anything at all. So without those things, I have to go cold call. Now, from my experience, every 8 people I call, 1 person is going to come out and meet. It could be in their office, could be in my office. Assuming that I also don't have my office, I'm going to try to meet, obviously, in a hotel, in a nice lounge, right? Maybe with over a cup of wine or glass of wine, sorry, and really discuss a deal, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offer to build out a website for free. I'm gonna offer maybe to even do their Facebook, Instagram account for free. And in exchange, I'm gonna try to upsell them maybe some sort of management services. And it could just be $500 to $1,000 for the first 3, and then I'll literally increase my price over time, okay? And what I'm also gonna do is that while I'm managing their social media, I'm also gonna let them know what are the problems that they have with their social media, which allows me to upsell them even more stuff. For example, let's just say that I'm managing this barbershop's Facebook page, and I realized that a lot of the customers, they don't have a lot of fresh customers, they don't have a lot of unique new customers coming in. I'll bring that up to the owner and say, hey, listen, maybe you should do Facebook ads, and I can help you with Facebook ads, okay? And then I can upsell or do a back end with them, and literally I can offer them Facebook ads. So this question didn't really ask me, or didn't really put a condition if I actually know how to do Facebook ads. If I do not know how to do Facebook ads, I'm actually gonna go and hire someone else to do it. Literally, I'm gonna do a JV with another digital marketing agency, where this agency is gonna control and do the Facebook ads. I'm just the middleman because I brought the deal to the agency. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna make money. If you ask me how I'm gonna start all over again, this is exactly how I'm gonna do it. And the reason is because I can hit the 100K really quickly because I don't need a lot of clients. Because it follows one of my big philosophies, serve few, serve premium. You don't want to have a lot of clients. You want to have very few clients, and they're willing to pay you thousands of dollars per transaction. And this is the fastest way that will allow me to regain my momentum and get back to where I need to be. So I hope this video helps. If you like videos like this, let me know. Comment below. Let me know what new videos you want me to make. I'll be sure to go through your comments and pick a video and pick a topic basically and make a video about it, okay? See you next time. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you like more videos like this, watch some of our previous videos here, and make sure you subscribe and turn on notification to our channel because I don't want you to miss out any of our upcoming videos. They're gonna be better and better and better. See you in the next video.